equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson SV12 may exhibit motor failure, which can manifest as reduced suction or unusual noises. This issue often arises from wear and tear or blockages, and if left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a pair of pliers, and a soft cloth to protect the device's surface. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully remove the dust canister and any attachments. Use a screwdriver to open the casing, taking care to note the location of each screw, as they may vary in size. Once open, locate the motor, which is typically situated near the base. If you notice any signs of damage or wear, this is likely the component that needs replacing. Disconnect the cables gently, ensuring not to pull on them too hard, as this could damage the connectors. Remove the old motor by unscrewing it from its mount. When installing the new motor, ensure it fits snugly and reconnect the cable securely. Be cautious not to pinch any wires during reassembly. After replacing the motor, reassemble the casing, ensuring all screws are tightened appropriately but not over-tightened, as this could crack the casing. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and canister. Keeping your device well maintained will extend its lifespan and performance. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.